Kumusta kapatid? It's Grit J, sharing my journey one day at a time. Today, Thursday, June 4, 2026, and program natin today is Thursday, easy 8 kilometers. Before anything, business errands muna tayo. Sheesh. We're back here in McDo for Kidiku and coffee. May gusto sana akong i-video today, pero mukhang uulan ng malakas. Okay, for today's run, I can feel na parang pagod yung calves ko ngayon. I think dahil dun sa hard run ng Tuesday, like kapag magtakbo ako, I can't lift myself up. Parang ganyan ba? Parang walang strength yung aking calves. So, I think kailangan ko muna mag-warm up. Hindi siya siguro injury. Subukan natin mag-stretch. So, okay. Calves check. Okay. Okay siya today. Okay siya today. Okay, mic off. Tapos, try ko lang yung camera. Punta muna tayo sa restroom. Done, cool down. Mag-start na tayo tumakbo. I'll see you after. Tapos na. And may kasalanan ako. Cool down muna ako. 1 kilometer walk. And I'll see you in the car. So yun, medyo nagkamali tayo today. Tingnan natin yung resulta. So, ayun, bam! So this run isn't supposed to be zone 2, right? For some reason, it's still easy. Also, I was really worried about my calves. Pero pag start ko ng takbo, for some reason, sobrang walang masakit. So yun, 10K happened. The run was easy. Nakapag cool down walk pa ako ng 1.4 kilometers. So today was a success. Anyway, tomorrow sana kita ulit tayo. Yun lang. Maraming salamat for watching. Have an amazing rest of your day. See you guys on the next one.